Hello and welcome to Bucktool. Today, we'll show you how to make a unique Halloween spooky tree stump statue with our power tools. Not only will these tree stump statues add a mysterious atmosphere to your Halloween party, but they will also showcase your creative talents. Come take a look. Get your materials and tools ready. You'll need a stump, saw, benchtop belt sander, and carving knife. Use the Bucktool saw to cut the stump into the desired shape according to your design. Use your carving knife to carve weird facial features and let your imagination run wild. Use a benchtop belt sander to ensure a smooth surface on the statue to reveal the details better. Use weather-resistant paint to paint the statue to create a Halloween atmosphere. Now, it's time to show off your creativity. Make your weird tree stump statue. Use Bucktool's tools and share your creations. Don't forget to follow us for more creative inspiration.